Today we're in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park just outside of Gatlinburg, Tennessee, in what was once known as the Little Greenbrier community. Just beyond the cemetery and school, which doubled as a church, is a 1.1 mile trail. At the end, we'll come to the Walker Sisters' homestead. It's a relatively flat trail, and you'll walk along a stream for some peaceful nature sounds. You'll also see some sights along the way, like this wooden footbridge which crosses a stream. The Walker family was made up of John and Margaret and their 11 children, 7 girls and 4 boys. The 4 Walker boys and 1 of the girls all left home or married, and the 6 remaining unmarried sisters stayed in Little Greenbrier with their father until his death at 80 years old in 1921. This is the farmstead they inherited. One of the sisters died 10 years later, and the remaining 5 carried on their father's legacy by maintaining their mountain homestead for over 40 more years. The first building we'll come to is the spring house, which kept dairy products cool throughout the year and provided storage for other foods. Other buildings on the Walker property included this barn, a corn crib, a smokehouse, pig pen, apple barn, and a blacksmith shop. Finally, we'll take a look inside the cabin itself, which was built in the 1840s by the girls' grandfather. As always, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again soon.